For huge discounts, see images and coupons above. Finally, a USDA organic face and body wash for men that's actually healthy for you and your skin. More and more men are starting to see the need to take better care of their skin. It's not just for vanity purposes either. Some common skincare ingredients are found to cause premature aging, eczema and even cancer. That's why we formulated this premium USDA organic formula to not just wash your skin, but to nourish, hydrate, soothe and protect your skin. Ingredients your skin will love: we've combined a robust organic formula including chamomile, coconut oil, sunflower oil, shea butter, jojoba oil, avocado oil, rosehip seed oil and rosemary extract. Our ingredients are shown to make skin more soft and supple, fight premature aging, fine lines and wrinkles, cleanse and minimize pores, fight acne, blemishes and ingrown hairs, reduce redness and inflammation, deeply hydrate while nourishing each skin cell. Get smoother, stronger, healthier skin or your money back. As a family-owned company, results are everything to us. We take customer service and satisfaction quite seriously. That's why we have a love your skin or your money back 60-day money-back guarantee. Buy now with confidence and see what nature can do for you. Finally, a face and body wash for men that's actually good for your skin. No more chemicals, sulfates, or drying toxins that strip your skin. Get smoother, stronger, healthier skin or your money back. A USDA organic face wash for sensitive skin. Our natural facial cleanser includes organic ingredients to nourish, hydrate, balance and protect your skin with each wash. Best face wash for men to revitalize dull skin for a healthier complexion. Extra robust formula. This hydrating cleansing cream includes extra soothing ingredients to reduce inflammation, fight acne and ingrown hairs. Anti-aging ingredients help with wrinkles, fine lines and premature aging. As safe as it is effective. Hydrating men's face wash to cleanse pores, remove buildup and prep your skin for the perfect shave. Proudly made in the USA, that is sulfate-free, paraben-free, SLS-free, non-toxic and of course, cruelty-free. Buy with confidence thanks to our 60-day love your skin or your money back guarantee. As a family-owned company, we take customer satisfaction quite seriously. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.